Alright guys, what's going on? It's your man Jay Will. This is a great day to shoot some video on this new phone I got. Now remember, this is the M-Horse Pure 2. This is the rear camera, and I gotta give it up. I think this footage is actually really good. I mean, for what the phone cost, 120 bucks. You get that iPhone back camera look. a lot of the comments in those videos, man, I was laughing at them. They were like, the iPhone met the Mi Mix and all kind of stuff, man. It was crazy. But look at how these colors are being reproduced here, and all these different tones of the grass and the bushes here. That's beautiful. Check the audio. Audio quality is really good. This is a really nice phone. I'm really feeling this. I think it's doing pretty good. Let's check the zoom. You get 4 times zoom. I would say that's pretty good, folks. This is supposed to be a Sony sensor in here. Zoom out. It's about 40 degrees outside. I'm out here filming. Extended look at the cameras on here, folks. Pretty decent. All right, so here's the front camera on the phone. It's looking pretty solid to me. I'm getting kind of cold. It's like really cold, so I'm gonna go in. All right, guys, so pretty much what do you think? This is actually the closeout outro for this video, and I'm actually using the M-Horse Pure 2. So the rear camera on here is a Sony sensor. The memory is Samsung inside the phone. Pretty much this company has put together a pretty decent looking phone, and then also put together some great specs and performance on here for what it is. Now this is actually my first 720p 18:9 ratio phone. I just want to throw that in. I think it's pretty cool. But nonetheless, these cameras out here on this phone actually are pretty good. I don't think there's any sleeping on it. You got to give credit where credit is due. And look at this footage next to some other footage that I've done outside, and just compare the two. And I shoot in the same spots. You can kind of do that, put 2 pages up, compare the video, and just look at the quality of it. And look at how a $120 phone is doing. I don't know. It's your man Jay Will. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for more. Take care.